everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, today is the day to announce the winner of the DJI Mini 2 Flyboard combo that I am giving away to some lucky person in the world where DJI ships. So this is a Saturday morning and I don't even have my Captain Drone gear on because this is a pretty relaxed video. So let's get right into it. Let's pick the winner. I've got my laptop over here and I'm just going to put on the screen record and I'll show you everything that I see. Here we go. All right, I can't start today without my coffee, so I've got my coffee here. And I got the jitters in my hands already. So take a look at my screen. I'm in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. That's where I reside. And this is the time right now on a Saturday morning. I'm finally getting around to doing this video. It's 11:15 a.m. on January the 9th, 2021. Let's go to my contest video. I know there was over 20,000 views. It says right here how many views there were. 23,793 views as of this minute. So let's go. You just had to answer 5 questions and post the answers to the 5 questions in a comment below the video. Question 1 was your name, and question 2 was your country. And here we go, question 3, 4, 5. So question 3 was, there are 8 people looking at a Mini 2 drone. That was the hint. There's an awful lot of people who viewed this on their cell phone or tablet and only saw maybe 4 people, and so put down the answer for 4 people. Now I'm a nice guy and I'm not going to say, hey, you should have been looking at this on a PC, because I did put, look at this on a PC. But you know what? It kind of is different because this here is a laptop. And I still don't see on the laptop what I saw on my desktop. My desktop showed me all the people. On the laptop, I see less of the people. And on a phone, I see even less of the people. So the answers could be 6 or 3. So let me just go to that and show you what I mean. So right there, this is my laptop. Look at this. Look on the left. There is like 3.5 people. On my desktop, there's 4 people. And when you scroll down, hello, I'm trying to scroll here. And when you scroll down, those are the other 4 people looking there at the drone. But if you're on a phone, you don't see those other 4 people. So that's why the answer was 6. But a lot of people put 3 because they only saw the dudes over here. And I guess if you're looking at, like me on a laptop, this is an Apple laptop, and I only see 3.5 people. So my answer would have been like, hey, 2 guys only are wearing glasses. And then I would have went down here and saw down here there's 3 people wearing glasses. So I'd have a weird answer. So I have no choice, but I'm gonna have to accept a lot of different answers for this, as long as no one puts 0. All right, go to question number 4, and it says, hey, there's a new tablet holder for the Mini 2. What is the warranty? So let's go to the answer on that. It's on Amazon, and right there I've highlighted it. It's a 12-month warranty, so everybody should have 12 months for that. Let's go to question number, the last question. Last question is, the manufacturer of these antennas claims it can boost your signal by a certain percentage. What is that percentage? And I'll go over here to the Amazon website and it shows it right there in the image. 30 or 50%, that would be your answer. 30 or 50. It even writes it about this item below. It says 30 or 50% right down there. All right, so let's go pick a winner. So the first thing I have to do is I have to go back to my video. I have to grab the URL right here. So you're watching me doing this live. Copy that with my shaky little fingers. Go to my YouTube random comment picker generator. See this thing here? Anybody can do this thing. And you just go down here and you post your URL right here. Paste. There we go. And then you go down here, filter duplicate users. Yes, I always do that. Include replies to comments. No. Filter comments based on a specific text. No, I could do that, but I'm not going to. Exclude the blacklist users. Yes. But I'd have to put their names in, so I'm not doing that. And add extra entries. No, that means I think I can manually do it. But anyways, let me just go get your YouTube comments. Let me scroll up here so you can see what it is. And since there was like 23,000 views, this is going to take a while. So let me just jump ahead to how many comments show up here. All right, so we're at the end and it says I have 5,811 entries out of that. So let's go down to the start raffle and pick random winner. So let me click on that, and the only thing I'm going to do is when it gives me an answer is I'm just going to then check to make sure the questions are correct. All right, here we go. So everybody cross their fingers. I'm going to hit the start button now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blink. I guess I should have went 1, 2, 3. What's going on there? Dictionary? What the heck did I hit? It's telling me the dictionary of start, but below that is winner. I have no idea. Apple things just blow me away. Okay, I'm going to click outside it. We should see who the winner is. Timothy! Timothy is the winner. So he says, I'm Tim. I'm from United States. There are 6 people, 12 months, 30 to 50. Well, that would be correct. Tim, you are the correct winner. And as long as you are a subscriber and you didn't cheat by posting 200,000 times the answer, then you're the winner. So everybody who played in this, well done to you, because there's these contests are just random and they're too easy to lose and less easy to win because it's so random. But I'm going to have many more contests in the future. So everybody give a big congratulations to Tim. And once again, for everybody who participated, thanks so much. I really appreciate it on the channel. And yeah, I'm going to have many more of these giveaways coming up in the future. I have some drones here that companies sent me that they made a mistake and sent me more than one. And I got to give them away somehow, so I'll probably give them away in future raffles and videos. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video with many more drone reviews. Bye.